Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. Here I am standing on the corner of Norman Run and Gates Lane, and this is the site of the Amanda Patio Villa neighborhood. We are in the village of Shady Brook, and the village's recently released a video on their YouTube channel introducing this brand new patio villa neighborhood. These homes are now on the market for sale. You will need to go to the villages.com website and work with a Villages sales representative if you're interested in any one of these homes. As I mentioned before, we are in the village of Shady Brook here in the Villages, Florida. The Villages is a 55+ community located in Central Florida. It is the fastest growing community in the nation according to the 22-23 Metropolitan Statistical Analysis reports. It is the safest community in Florida with a very low crime rate of 1,044 crimes for every 100,000 people. And I wanted to take you through this neighborhood and show you most of these homes are list price for less than $300,000. And I know a lot of my subscribers are interested in homes that are less than $300,000, and right there is a home that has been sold. Congratulations, Linda. You are the proud new owner of a patio villa in the newest patio villa neighborhood in Shady Brook, the Amanda Villas. I wanted to show you a few of these homes. I wanted to give you some of the pricing. I will give you the bond information as well. And the first home I want to show you is this one right here. The address is 1515 Reeves Drive here in the Amanda Villas in the village of Shady Brook. That is a Topaz model patio villa. It has a 2-car garage, which a lot of people are interested in. It is 1,234 square feet. It is 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom, and the list price is $263,868. These homes are conveniently located very near the Saluki Recreation Center, which is right over the roofs of those homes on the other side of Marsh Bend Trail, probably 0.25 miles from here. They're also very near the Shady Brook Postal and Recreation Center, which is right across Bar Boulevard, probably 0.25 miles in that direction. And they are probably 1/2 mile away from the Water's Edge Postal and Recreation Center. I will give you the bond information on these homes as well. As I walk through this neighborhood, these homes are located in unit number 239V, and they do have a bond. And for those new to the channel, a bond is the infrastructure costs that the developer passes on to the home buyer. And in other communities, the infrastructure costs are usually part of the price of your lot. But in the Villages, the developer parses those costs out and gives the home buyer an opportunity to pay those costs up all in front or in equal installments over 30 years' time. And the bonds on these homes are $27,254.19. And there is an interest rate in the event you pay these homes off over 30 years' time. The interest rate is 5.19%. And the annual payment, if you choose to make annual payments, are going to be about $1,902. Here's a home that has a patio in the back of the home. I know that's a popular model patio villa home. This home here has a one-car garage with a golf cart garage. These homes are wood-framed homes, and they are the newest patio villas to be listed for sale here in the Villages, Florida. And to continue with the bond information, if you choose to pay the bond off over 30 years' time, you'd be paying in a total of $57,813.61. There is interest and administration fees on these homes if you do pay them off over time. And you can see these patio villas are adjacent to a designer home neighborhood right over there. This is a very nice home here as well. These two-car garage patio villas are very popular, and I do recommend, if you are interested in a patio villa, that you do get one that has a two-car garage. I will bring you more homes in this neighborhood and prices. This home here is also for sale on the villages.com website. The address is 1513 Strawbridge Street. This is a Haven model. It is 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom, 987 square feet in the village of Shady Brook. List price $244,383. It is on a corner lot. And if you remember earlier in the video, this is the home that had a patio in the back of the home. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this patio villa neighborhood. I think it is in a very desirable location. It is very near the Eastport Town Square, probably 1 mile, 3/4 of a mile from Eastport Town Square, which is in the direction I'm walking right now. It's probably a 5 or 10 minute golf cart ride to Eastport from here. These homes are located far enough away from Eastport where you will not hear the bands playing. And they are located near Bar Boulevard and Marshbend Trail. And the intersection of Marshbend Trail and Bar Boulevard is right over there, near the Saluki Recreation Center. And this is the next home I wanted to show you that is listed for sale on the villages.com website. The address is 1497 Strawbridge Street. It is a nest model patio villa, 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom, 974 square feet. List price $235,852. And keep in mind, there is a bond on top of that of $27,254.19. And if you purchase a home like this, you would have an option to pay the bond off all at once, either up front or any time during the 30-year period that the amortization schedule runs. Or you can make annual payments, and those annual payments will show up on your property tax bill as a non-ad valorem charge. And you're going to see that charge of $1,902 and some change show up on your property tax bill. It will be a separate line item. It will be located toward the bottom of your property tax bill. And the Villages does calculate those bond amounts, and they forward them to the respective county that these homes are in. And these homes are located in Sumter County here in the state of Florida. Sumter County will add those charges to your property tax bill. You would pay those charges to Sumter County. They will collect them, And then they will forward those charges on to the villages, administration offices, and you can find the information of the bonds on the www.districtgov.org website. And they have all the bond information you need for all of these homes. You just need to know what unit number they're located in. And you can find that out by looking on the villages.com website. You can look up one of the homes listed for sale, and the first 4 digits of that home you will see will be the unit number. And in these homes you will see 239V as the first 4 digits. And that's how you know what the unit number is on these homes. Please forward the video to those you feel are interested in this type of content. And let me know in the comments below what you think of these homes. Most of these homes, including the bond, you can purchase for less than $300,000. Even if you choose to pay the bond off up front, the all-in cost will still be less than $300,000 on these homes. And there you have it from the village of Shady Brook and the Amanda Villas. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Take care, everyone.